Hello, folks. For those that are following along on Shanty Sanctuary, this is the fall trip 2 of the 2021 season, episode 1. And I'm going to include 2 charts only, the area of the park that I'm operating in for the day on the leg that I'm on, and then the navigation chart that'll also show the track and details that are important for marine navigation. For further charts, you'll see 2 more charts if you check out the description and go to the blog link. The link will have each of the legs and much more detail on each leg for your information. By the time I left the launch site, it was getting late. It was kind of getting dark, difficult to see the shore and the bottom. So I ended up striking a rock, did some damage to the prop on the boat, but nothing serious. Just warmed up some chicken wild rice soup, had a roll, some salad, and a beer, and got the bed ready to go so that after my evening out on the aft deck with the fire, I can hit the sack and enjoy a good night's rest, hopefully. Enjoying some Baileys and chocolates by the fire. I'm looking into Canada, very quiet, very dark, and I'm very tired. It's been a long day driving up here and getting established for the first night here at this spot. Ran into some rocks coming in. I've been here before with a big houseboat, but the stern stuck out a lot further, and this time coming in with a 24-foot boat, it ended up hitting the prop against some rocks. So little damage, hopefully not too serious, but it did affect my landing. But I finally got in. I just had to lift the motor up a little bit more and get in here safely. So I'm all tied up, all set up for the night, and as I said, enjoying some Baileys by the fire.